In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we are experiencing technical difficulties problem on Roblox. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to click and hold on Roblox icon. Click on app info. Go to storage and cache. From here, all you have to do is to first click on this clear cache option and then click on clear storage. Click on OK. Once you have done that, go back and then click on this force stop option. After doing this, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. But just in case if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to go to the Play Store and you need to make sure that Roblox application is up to date. So if you see an update option here, then it means that you need to update your Roblox. And after updating, your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.